welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making 凉拌豆腐皮. It's a spicy tofu salad. To me, I treat it as a special noodle recipe because it looks like noodles. The most amazing part is that it's gluten-free, starch-free, full of proteins. Like, how healthy is that? And it's super easy to make. So let's get started.
The main ingredient is tofu sheet. It looks like this. Basically, it is firm tofu that is pressed into these thin sheets. Don't get confused with a different product if you see it in your local Asian store. Being curd skin, it is not the same ingredient because it's too thin to make this recipe. You can steam the tofu sheet first and then thinly julienne them so they look like noodles. If you don't have a steamer, you can slice and blanch them in boiling water for 15 seconds. Steaming or blanching will help to remove the raw bean taste. Drain it completely, set it aside to let it cool. Now we can go ahead and prepare the vegetables. Here are some julienne carrot, stem lettuce, and cilantro. This is the stem lettuce. It is called 莴笋 in Chinese. Discard the top. We only need 2 to 3 inches like that. The skin is tough, so you have to peel it. This is one of my favorite vegetables. It is lightly sweet, very crunchy, but it seems to be difficult to find in USA. I'm lucky this time. I got some from my local Asian store, so I want to show you how it looks. If you can't find it, don't worry. You can use cucumber, cabbage, or other types of crunchy vegetables that can be eaten raw. If you see this brown hollow in the center, that means it is probably have been sitting in the supermarket shelves for days, but it's okay to eat. Next is the sauce. You will need 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Press them through a garlic presser, then adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. This is going to be very flavorful, so sugar is good to balance the taste. Mix them together. Salt and sugar will help to bring out all the flavors and gentles the sharpness of the raw garlic. In a few minutes, the garlic will become a sticky paste. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 3 to 5 tablespoons of chili oil depends on your preference. The chili oil is homemade. I'll put the recipe link in the description. Stir well and the sauce is done. You just put everything in a big mixing bowl. It's like making a salad. Besides the tofu sheet, you can definitely use real noodles to make this recipe. This dish can be served cold, so it is good for a lunch meal that you can take to work. We used quite a lot of chili oil. You can optimize the spicy level, but I wouldn't skip the chili oil because it doesn't taste good without it.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!